Hi guys, my name is Mr. Ewing and I am the lead theater teacher at Senn High School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hume. I'm the lead dance teacher at Senn Arts.
My name is Mr. Russell and I'm the lead music teacher here at Senn High School.
I am Mr. Nicholas and I am the choral director here at Senn High School.
I'm Mr. Puckett and I am the orchestra director here at Senn High School.
Hi, good morning. My name is Jessie Weiss. I'm the lead visual arts teacher for Senn Arts.
First and foremost, I'm so excited to meet you and to spend some time with you, and we really appreciate you considering Senn and coming to audition for us. I just wanted to offer a few tips maybe to help best prepare you for the upcoming audition, because usually with auditions it's kind of big and scary and fear of rejection, and we don't want that to be the case at all. So a couple of tips for you to keep in mind. First, be prepared. Particularly when it comes to the monologue, it goes a long way to show that you've spent some time on memorization and given some thought to the performance of it. So we just ask that you come in prepared with what we ask you to prepare for. That goes so far in our eyes to show that you've taken the time and care to actually prepare your pieces. So be prepared. Second, be confident. You're interested in this, you're good at it, you have some skill at it, so even though we'll be meeting for the first time or you'll be in a new school, just be confident in what you do, and that really goes a long way as well. Third, have fun. It's fun. You get to do a monologue. We're gonna do some improv. We're gonna have a discussion about why you love theater. So if you can just show us that you're having fun and that you're enthusiastic and curious about theater and about Senn Arts, that really goes a long way too. So 3 quick tips. Be prepared, be confident, and have fun. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Thanks.
I'm very excited that you're auditioning for our program. We have a wonderful program here, and I want to give a couple of tips for auditions. Please come in solid colored, form-fitting clothing that you can dance in, and come with an open mind. It's going to be fun. Thank you.
We are thrilled to have you auditioning for us, and we'd like to offer a few tips to help you on audition day. Tip number 1, enjoy the experience, relax, and be yourself and express yourself through your music.
Take the time to properly warm up your instrument, whether it's your voice or an instrument you hold or something else you play. Take time to slowly get yourself moving in the morning and warm up thoroughly.
And we know that auditions are typically pretty nerve-wracking, but we are very eager to meet you. We are here to support you, and I and the rest of us are very much looking forward to working with you.
Here are a few tips for your audition. Number 1, bring 4 to 8 artworks that you feel like shows off your artistic talent. This can include your sketchbook. Number 2, don't forget to do the audition prompt, which is an artwork based on the idea of multiple viewpoints. Number 3, be confident and just come ready to share who you are as an artist. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.